Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're not new here. My name is Gina and today I have a Quince handbag unboxing. So I recently ordered a new bag from Quince. I've had a few at this point. I have a suede tote bag that I love right now. It's actually kind of a dupe for one of the Cezanne ones that's very beautiful too. And I've had a suede bucket bag. I let go of that one because the color I wasn't reaching for, and it was in a period when I wasn't really reaching for suede, but I've come around since. And I also had a woven cassette bag, which was really, really lovely. What else? I think those are all of my Quince. Oh, and I have a bucket tote, a soft bucket tote. So I'm like a veteran on Quince leather handbags at this point, I think. So you're not going to be super surprised when you see that I picked up this one, which has already sold out on the website. And it came in a black dust bag, by the way. This is the first time I've ever gotten a black dust bag from Quince, which is kind of cool. But it is this black woven shoulder bag from Quince. And honestly, I have no idea what this one is called, but it has really pretty gold hardware and this adjustable strap here. So I haven't worn this yet because I wanted to show it to you all first. And also I was trying to exercise some delayed gratification. So I would appreciate it, but it's super cute. If you've seen some of my handbags in the past, you probably already know I really like this shape of bag right now, with a little bit of slouch, which I'm hoping this one will have, and a shoulder style. So I think it's really, really cute. Very, very nice. And I love a woven leather, to be totally honest. I did not need this bag. I mean, I don't need any bags, but I did not need this one because I have a Coach woven leather tote bag that kind of gives this effect, but I justified it because this one is so much smaller and it closes, so it's much more secure. So let's open her up. I feel that it's really well packed, so it might be a little bit of effort to get it out, get all the stuffing out. Okay, it has black tissue paper inside, and I'm already feeling the lining inside this bag, and I think it's a cotton fabric lined bag. It is, oh, I'm so glad. Okay, so here's the interior, which is very hard to see because this zipper opening is actually very small. If you look at that and then look at my hand going in, like there's space for sure, but it feels a little narrow to me. I'm not gonna lie. On the interior, oh, it's more spacious than I thought it was actually. I thought this was gonna be a much more petite bag, but there is a zipper pocket, an entire zipper pocket in here that is also fully lined. That is really lovely, and it has the nice reinforcement of leather, and then it has a little leather pouch, patch that says Quince on it. So very nice, very well constructed, nice materials. I'm just inspecting. I always look at like how this is like, the lining is sewn on, because then you can see if it's like been done sloppily or neatly, kind of indicates the quality, which I think that this is very neat. Okay, here we go. Let's see how the slouch looks. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I love that little bit of slouch. Also, I really love this detail here. So there's this hardware. Let me pull this off. I feel like this bag feels very expensive because this hardware is so well done. So this, maybe I'll show the other side so you don't see the tag, but you can see here, these straps actually slide into that hardware, and then it can come out and be adjustable, so you can make this a little bit longer. Looks like there's 3 adjustment holes, but you could always punch your own. So I'm gonna make this a bit longer and see what that looks like. Let's see, this goes right here. And I really like that this doesn't have a buckle. I don't always love a lot of like hardware, buckles, all of that on my bags. But I like this kind of punch hole adjustment style. I have a couple of other bags that use that, and I really, really like that. So I'm gonna make the other side also a little bit longer and see if it gives me a longer shoulder drop kind of style. A little tough to adjust these, but the bag is new, so I'll give it a pass. Okay, so this is the longer setting. Oh, I really like that. I think once there's stuff in this too, the slouch is gonna be really pretty. I love this bag. Okay, I'm gonna tuck this back in and take the plastic off. Now that I'm actually holding this and like kind of playing with it a little bit, it is actually quite different from my Coach woven leather bag. So this, I wouldn't wear this with the same types of outfits. This is a lot more polished and a lot more secure. So I think that the Coach one is definitely more casual for me and year-round casual. This one also I would wear year-round, probably because of all the gold, less in the summer, but definitely in the spring, fall, and winter. And I think that this is like a little bit more polished for my style. So if I want my outfits to look a little bit more edgy and a little more polished and a little more dressed up, I would wear this bag. And then for my Coach tote bag, that's definitely a more casual look. But I think this is really beautiful. I think that's super lovely. The strap definitely needs to be it's got to do its thing. I'm going to hang it so that the strap can kind of straighten out, because look, it's a little wonky from all of that. But smells great. Leather smells good. It doesn't smell chemically. It's actually quite soft and supple too. It's not quite a pebbled leather. I think this one is a full grain leather, not a top grain leather, so it's a slightly better quality, but I can double check that when it's back online. Yeah, actually I'm looking at it, maybe it is a top grain. Full grain is usually a little bit better quality versus top grain, which is like the top layer, and it's gonna be thinner and usually not quite as durable. So yeah, and Quince does both. They do full grain, top grain, you know, they'll call it Italian leather. Like, you gotta be really careful when you're looking at Quince bags. Actually, I try to stick to the full grain bags if I can. Sometimes they just have something too nice and I don't end up doing that, but this one is definitely gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna try this on for you. So here's the bag. This is what she looks like on the shoulder. This is what she looks like here. I don't know if I would wear it with this dress, to be honest, so sorry, I didn't plan this out very well, but I think it looks really, really pretty generally. Let's see how that feels. It feels good. The base is a little stiff. It has some reinforcement, so I can feel it right here, but it's not wide enough that it would actually bother me. And I kind of do like when my bags have a base that's a little bit more firm, so that everything doesn't just slouch in the bag. It's really gorgeous. This, I'm actually so pleased that I nabbed this, because I think it's really, really chic. And let's see it on the shorter strap length. So you can see here a little bit better. This is 1, 2, and then 3. And then you just pull it. You technically have 6 different lengths, because you can have each on a different hole on each side. So let's say I wanted to put it on the second hole on this side, but the third hole on this side. So there's actually a lot of customization with the strap length, since you can adjust it on both sides of the bag, which is great. Okay, let's see if I can get that in there. Okay, not too hard. So this makes it almost like a top handle bag if I do the shortest on both sides, which, oh, actually kind of might be appealing for me. That also definitely makes it different from my Coach bag, because I don't have any shoulders or like top handle style bags. The only thing with this short one is that you're gonna have this hanging a little longer, which is kind of cute. I bet this will curl up a little bit, which might bother me, but as long as it doesn't curl up too much. But I think this is very, very cute. And I think I can still fit it under my shoulder if I need to at this length. I don't know, I am gonna play with this a little bit and see what length I like the best. I think probably the longest. I don't know, I'm really into a long shoulder drop these days. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a what fits. I wanted this to be very quick and simple, but if you are interested in a what fits in this bag, I can definitely share more. I haven't worn this bag yet. And actually, you know what? I'm looking at this, the feet, they don't look the cleanest. They look like they've been a little scuffed up or tight, I don't know. I'm gonna clean them up and see if they look scratched. The rest of the hardware looks pretty good. Not perfect, actually. Interesting. Okay, that's something to notice. I don't know if that's just because this is an early batch of bags and they didn't take the best care of them or what, but it's not super noticeable, but I'm a Virgo, I notice all the details. So I see that these, they just don't look like they're fresh and clean. I don't know. anyone else would look at this and tell me I'm crazy, I'm already sure. My sister's a Sag and she always is like, how the heck did you even see that? So anyhow, I'm going to wear this bag. I'm going to play with it a bit more, see what fits in it. If you want to see more of this bag, let me know. I'll definitely let you know when I see it pop back up on the Quince website, because it is out of stock right now, unfortunately. But hopefully that means they're going to bring it back with different colors if it's sold so well. So yeah, I'll definitely let you know how it goes. Oh, the last thing that I'm thinking about this bag, actually, I know a lot of folks, myself included, like when there's a lighter color interior on your black bags, and this has that. So really thoughtful design, actually, especially if that was intentional. It's really, really smart. Anyhow, really interesting design features, really loving this, loving the interior, like that it has some interior pockets, and definitely the feet. Feels like a very premium quality bag overall, but again, I will let you know what I think as I wear it some more. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.